everybody, starring Jackal 18 here. Um, I'm just letting y'all know now. Me and my friends are gonna be doing a little project on the side. You gotta check out World of World 112 channel too, because he's gonna be uploading them too. So the mine are gonna be unedited, of course. I don't give a fuck. Okay, tell you that now. Uh, I'm not that boring. Just let y'all know. I'm really not. I just sit here and chill. It's 2:30 in the morning here. So, yeah. Leave me some comments or something. I don't care what you talk about. Just, no hate mail, alright? And, so, what we're gonna do is finish off everything while y'all watch. And, we don't know if we're gonna be doing it daily, weekly, or monthly. We don't know, but we think it's gonna be daily for now. And, so, I'll be uploading videos every day probably. The first one is gonna be tonight, today, uh, in the daytime, of course. And so, so we're gonna be just chilling, and you'll hear our thoughts and everything. So we'll have everything be done with y'all. Alright, deuces.